Hey, I'm Eric. I'm on the ground here in Dallas, Texas, hanging out with some students. I'm here with Jacolby,
Jacolby, everybody. How y'all
and
doing?
I just want to hear your story. So, you had mentioned you've done every sort of job before coming to the Iron Yard. Tell
Right.
us a little bit about your background.
Okay. So basically, I had a background in sales. I did a lot of sales work. Worked for AT&T, worked for Mosaic, just a lot of different places. But I had got to a point where I felt like I wanted to, have some stability, and I really wanted to develop a skill that I could feel proud about. And that's pretty much what led me to you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you try learning to code before the Iron Yard at all?
I did, I did. I tried to learn Ruby on Rails. I went to like an online platform. That was my
Okay.
first attempt.
Yeah.
It was like a program that you would go through a year. Um, it was supposed to be more than what it was, but I didn't complain about it because I really did want to learn how to code at that
Yeah.
point. So I just stuck with it, and again, in my journey, it just led me to you guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
How did you decide that you wanted to go to like a more in-person classroom experience as opposed to doing the online?
It was that experience, the online experience, which led me to, I didn't even need anyone to tell me that an in-person experience would be better for me, because going through that process, I learned that I needed someone, to kind of walk me through, issues that I had or different problems that I had with programming. So that was an experience in itself. It was a good experience because I learned at that point that, I needed a different platform, a
Yeah.
different way to learn. So yeah, that's
Yeah.
yeah.
What's it been like with your instructor? Has that been helpful? What's that experience been like?
Okay, the entire team here in Dallas they're awesome. They've been very helpful and awesome with me. But Eric, I have to give kudos to him. Before Eric, I really didn't know what an experienced programmer was like. But where I really do give him the kudos is the fact that he does take time to try to learn the way that I learn and then break concepts down in a way that I could understand them. And when he came in, when we interviewed with him, before the class started, he had told us that he had a passion for teaching, and you can see that. You can see it every day when he comes into the class. Like, he really does enjoy teaching people and trying to teach someone who has no idea or has no background in programming and getting me to where I am now. That's a feat in itself.
That's awesome.
Yeah, he's very awesome.
Very cool. Well, do you have any ideas of what kind of stuff you want to do when you graduate?
I do, man, but at the same time, Eric, I have no idea because going through this process, I've learned that there's a lot of possibilities. There's a lot of things that I could do, and I didn't know that before.
Yeah.
So, like I said, when I came into this thing, I really didn't know what I was getting myself into. But now, I'm not discouraged or anything like that because I know that it's just a wealth of things that I could do. When I get my mind around something that I would like to do, I'll let you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Well, thanks for taking time to tell us your story today, and best of luck.
Thank you, Eric.
Yeah, absolutely.
Off top.